Hello everyone. Let us learn about text to speech today. We have previously learned about talkback settings. We had entered talkback settings and we had seen various functions which were there in that. We had seen an option known as text to speech in that, and as I told you all that in that option we have got options to change language, to increase or decrease pitch, to increase and also to increase or decrease speech rate. So let us go to text to speech and see the things that are there inside it. How to go to talkback settings, I will be showing you all today. I will be showing you all that today. Because to go to text to speech settings we have to go to talkback settings, and previously I had just entered local context menu and entered talkback settings, but today I will be showing you all the full procedure. So first of all, you'll have to enter your settings option.
Apps, out. App screen, page 1 of 2. Calculator, in pager. Game launcher. Zoom. Calculate. Settings. Settings. Search, button, out of pager.
And now we have to go to accessibility.
Showing about phone. Remote support. User manual. Software up. Accessibility. Accessibility. Navigate up, button, out of list.
We have an option over here recommended for you using one function, talkback, and then when we swipe we will get talkback. So we have to click on talkback.
Recommended for you, using one. Talkback, 3 of 14.
So we have to click on here, talkback.
Talkback. Navigate up, button, out of list.
And now we have to go to talkback settings.
Talkback. Talkback, on, switch. Talkback short, on. Settings, 3. Talkback settings. Navigate up, button, out of list.
And now we have to enter text to speech.
Talkback settings. New features in Talkback, 1 of 13. Audio, heading, 2 of. Text to speech settings. Text to speech. Navigate up, button.
So we have entered text to speech. Now let's see the options over here.
Preferred engine, Google text to speech engine, 1 of 6, in list, 6 items.
Preferred engine, here we can change the engine. When we purchase our phone, we always get two engines. One engine is Google text to speech engine, that is there in every phone, because as we know Google is there in every phone, so Google text to speech is also there in every phone. And we have the second option, as you all as if you are having a Redmi phone, so you all will have the text to speech that its company provides, and if you are having some other phone, so you will have the text to speech which that phone's company provides. So as I am using my Samsung device, I have Samsung text to speech along with Google text to speech. So I will show that option in the end, because I'll have to show one more thing with that.
Settings.
Here is settings. We can select language from here.
Language, English United States, 2 of 6.
This is the language which my phone is currently set to.
Speech rate, slow, fast, 4 of 6.
So this is the heading. Let's see speech rate.
20%, 130, slider.
So we can increase or decrease the speech rate from here. If we click on volume up keys, then the speech rate will increase, and if we click on volume down keys, the speech rate will decrease. So I will click on volume up keys.
160, 25%, 160, slider.
So that is how it works. And let's see how to decrease. When we want to decrease, we'll click on volume down keys.
130, 20%, 130, slider.
Okay.
Pitch, low, high, 5 of 6.
Pitch. So let's see what is the pitch rate of my phone.
20%. 100. Slider.
So it is 20%. For pitch also same thing applies. If you click on volume up keys, the voice will become thinner, and if you click on volume down keys, the voice is going to become deeper, not fatter. Fat and deep are two different voices, so it will become deeper. Okay,
Play. Button. 6 of 6.
so when we will play, so it is going to show us an example of the speech of the way our talkback is speaking. So let's play and check.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And then we have reset.
Reset. Button.
You can reset the pitch and everything here.
Edge panels. Out of list.
So now let's move to our language part.
Navigate up. Button. Text to speech. Preferred engine. Google text to speech engine. Settings.
Yeah, so I will click on settings.
Google TTS options. Navigate up. Button. Out of list.
Here we have Google TTS options because I am using Google text to speech.
Google TTS op. Install voice data. In list.
I can install more voices from here.
Use Wi-Fi only. Download voices data using only Wi-Fi. This conserves data usage. Not checked. Switch.
Okay, so if this is on, then your voice data will not be downloaded over mobile data. It will only be downloaded over Wi-Fi.
Amplify speech volume. Make spoken text louder than normal so it's easier to hear over other audio that might be playing. Not checked. Switch.
Okay, so this is amplify speech volume. This is similar to audio ducking that I showed you all in the previous video.
Language detection. Conservative.
Language detection. So here what happens is if your phone is speaking, if your phone is reading out a text to you and it is written in Hindi or Gujarati say, but your phone is set to English, so the talkback is going to start reading the text in a different way to explain to you that your language is not English, it is some other language.
Anonymous usage reports. On.
So anonymous usage reports, if you keep this on, so Google will be able to fix minor issues that is coming with your talkback.
Feedback.
You can give feedback
Edge panels. Out of list. Edge
and
panels.
we'll come out of this.
Back. Text to speech. Settings. 1 of 6.
Now
In
let's
list. 6
go
items.
to the language part.
Language. English United States. 2 of 6.
Now let's see over here.
Language. English United Kingdom. In list.
So we have different options. On whichever option we will click, that language will be selected.
English Nigeria. English India.
See, that way.
English Australia.
Text to speech. Language. English Australia 2 of 6. In list. 6 items. Speech rate. 20%. 130. Slider.
So that is how you can change your language. I will reset it to my previous one.
Speech rate.
Sorry.
Language. English Australia 2 of 6. Language. Dutch Netherlands. Checked. English Dutch Netherlands. Danish Denmark. Checked. English India. English Nigeria. English United States.
Text to speech. Language. English United States. 2 of 6. In list. 6
Okay.
items.
And so from here you can select different languages. Now let me show you how to change the engine, how to change preferred engine. So for that we'll have to come out. So for that we have to click on preferred engine.
Settings. 1 of preferred engine. Google text to speech engine.
So my preferred engine is Google text to speech. I can put it to Samsung text to speech also. So I will double tap over here and see how to do.
Preferred engine. Navigate up. Button. Out of list. Preferred engine. Not checked. Radio button. Samsung text to speech engine. 1 of 2. In
This
list.
is
2
not
items.
checked. So this one is not selected. But Google text to speech has been checked. So that means that one is selected.
Checked. Radio button. Google text to speech engine. 2 of 2.
Now let me put it to Samsung text to speech engine and show you there are some changes when you change your preferred engine.
Not checked. Radio button. Samsung. Checked.
Using Samsung. Not checked. Radio button. Google text to speech engine. 2 of 2.
So both of the no, each and every engine provides its own voice data. So Samsung is providing its own voice data, Google is providing its own voice data. So that is how it works. That's why when I selected Samsung text to speech, the voice of talkback changed.
Edge panels, out of list. Navigate up. Preferred engine. Checked. Not checked. Radio button. Google text to speech engine. 2
Now
of
let
2.
me come back.
Back. Text to speech. Preferred engine. Samsung text to speech engine. Settings.
Let's go over here.
Samsung TTS settings. Navigate up. Button. Out of list.
Previously I had set to Google TTS settings, so it was showing Google TTS. But now I have set it to Samsung TTS, so it is telling Samsung TTS options.
Samsung TTS settings. Version. Heading. 1 of 13. In list. 13 items.
Now if I swipe, so it will read out the version.
3.1.0 2.10. Disabled. 2 of 13. Languages and voices. Heading. 3 of 13.
So here we will go.
Not checked. Radio button. English Australia. Female. 4 of 13.
So you can choose different languages over here also.
Settings. Button.
Over here we have another option, that is settings, which was not there in Google TTS. So I will show you what it is. When I click on this settings, I will have two options, that is male and female. So say if I have selected that I have currently kept my TTS to English US, English UK. Okay, so I will show it to you over there when it is telling you checked.
Not checked. Radio. Checked. Set. Checked. Radio button. English United Kingdom. Male.
So here it is saying English United Kingdom male. Previously it said English Australia female. So that is where that is telling you that if you are going to click on that, so the female is going to speak. But if you click on settings, so you can change it to male. So see over here, I will show you.
Settings. Button. English United Kingdom. Female. In list.
So I have kept it to male. If I click on female, so English United Kingdom's female will start speaking. See.
English United. Female. In list.
Samsung TTS settings. Settings button 6 of 13. In list 13 items. Showing items 1 to 12 of 13.
Okay, so now let me put it back.
English United Kingdom. Checked. Female. In list. Male.
Samsung TTS settings. Settings. Button. 6 of 13. In list. 13 items.
So this
Showing
is
items 1 to 12 of
provided
13.
with everything, like every English option. Like we have English United Kingdom, English US, we have English Australia. Okay, for these options we have male and female both. For English India we have only female, we don't have male. In some phones you don't have male for any of the language. So if you want male, if you still want male, so you can install voice data from Galaxy Store. Okay, now let's come back.
Back. Text to speech. Settings. 1 of 6. In list. 6 item. Language. English United Kingdom. 2 of 6.
So here we can select language again, just like the previous one, but in Google text to speech we had only settings, and various settings were there in the settings option. But over here we can select language in settings only, and if we go to language, there also you can select language. But if you click here, from here you can install voice data also. See, I will show you.
Language. Use system language. In list. English Australia. English India. Checked. English United States. French France. German Germany.
Okay, that is how.
French English. Checked. English India. English Australia. Use system language. Edge panels. Edge. Cancel. Button. Spanish Spain. Inlet. Cancel.
So I will
Text to
cancel.
speech. Language. English United Kingdom. Speech rate. 20%. 130. Slider.
So it is speech rate and pitch, just the same like Google text to speech. Now let me reset it to Google text to speech like it was there previously.
Speech. Language. Settings. 1 of 6. Preferred engine. Samsung text. Preferred engine. Navigate up. Preferred engine. Checked. Radio button. Not checked.
Using Google text to speech engine. Checked.
So I have set it to Google text to speech now. Okay.
Back. Text to speech. Preferred engine. Google text to speech engine. 1 of 6. In list. 6 items.
Okay, so this was how you do. These are the options in text to speech. Previously in the previous video I did not show it to you all because I knew it would take a long time. So these are the options in text to speech settings. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.